have been using this doll for a very long time when I have been knitting and sewing doll clothing, but as you can see, these legs are not in the right proportion to the body, so it gives me kind of a hard time working with this doll. Also, I don't really like the way her body is, and her stiff arms makes it a bit harder on me as well. So the other day we were out buying a few things, and I found a made to move Barbie, this one, and this is a gymnast Barbie, and I'm going to unbox her, and you will see the difference between her and this weird shaped body type Barbie. So let me get her out of the box, and we can take a look at it. So first of all, I want to tell you to save this plastic. It is so great for windows and stuff like that in 1 to 12 or in 1 to 6. So save that if you are making your own rooms and so. But let us see what we got here. We got the doll first of all, and I have a few elastic bands here that I didn't get rid of yet. Where's that? Here. Okay, there we go. So if we start from the top of, her eyes are this nutty brown color, and her lips is very soft in the color, and she was put in the box with these plastic things. I don't know if you can see it. It sits right here. Let's see if I can show it a little better. It sticks out right there, and I really don't like these. I will have to cut that down. Then the top here, that is velcroed on, her really nice gym pants, and this is just with a rubber band at the top, and Barbie logo all over her underwear. So that's fine. Let's place these back on. I will try these clothing out on my big girl later. Then she have this really nice wrist watch with her. I think if you paint a few details there, it could be really cool. In the other hand, she have a hand weight, and down here she have her shoes with a flat foot. But now I'm not so sure because she don't have the foot joint. It's a bit stiff, but it's there. The knee, nothing at the hip, only the up and down. So there is no joint there, or no, that's not a joint, it's just a connection line. So if they have a connection line, why don't they have a joint? That's kind of weird. And no torso joint at all. So she have her shoulder, elbow, and wrist. And here she doesn't have this turn thing. So she is actually really cool, but it's not a made to move Barbie. What's happening here? It's like her foot is not going down there. Okay, doesn't matter. But she is still a lot better. Oh, I have some hair falling out here. And I actually don't think, no, they're stuck on there. Just kind of weird, so I'm going to cut that off. But compared to this one, she looks a little more realistic. They have around the same height. Can't show you that with this camera that I have, but this one has the high heel foot, where this has the flat foot. I actually like that better. And if you look here, the feet doesn't even look like feet, where this one is actually pretty nice. Really nice sculpted foot. You can't see the toes, but it's okay. But it's a really nice shape for a foot, instead of this weird shape. And this one, I think it has, yeah, it has a bent and snap knee. But the range in that joint is not as big as it is in this one. This really has a 90 degree. I think this one has only 45. Yeah, so you can see the difference here. That actually makes a lot if you want them to sit on a chair. And again, the arms here, she can touch her own head with her hands. This one cannot, unless you bend the arms, but it cannot stay there. So that is really neat. I do like the face on this one. It's very cute, and the hair is very long. It's actually longer than the one I got here. And this one has holes for earrings. This one doesn't. But the body type, I really like this one better. You can see her thighs, where this one is like, it really is a weird leg shape for this one. From here on up, it's actually pretty good. I don't know what this hole in here is supposed to be. She don't have it like that. And here you can even see the real muscles and stuff. You don't have that here. So I really like this one better. It looks more realistic, and again you can move it a lot better. Let's take a look at the things that comes with it. We have this bag. There's a thread or something down there, doesn't matter. I have some coloring that is not that good on it, and the handle is out of shape. But otherwise this look really detailed and pretty, and might go ahead and color in some of these zipper details and stuff like that to make it look really cool. I will show you a picture afterwards. Then there is this gym thing. This is just a piece of what is that called, that foam, but that's just a thin layer of that foam rolled up, and then this plastic ring to keep it together, but it works and look right. Then we have this little puppy dog with another hand weight. Let's see if I can get that off. So, get off. So we have a smaller hand weight here than the other one. And I can see the puppy heads. Puppets. Is it glued on there? Yeah. Oh, I had the feeling that you could turn the head on him, but it's glued on. But that's a tiny bit. That's a tiny little puppy here. Cute, but I actually always think that the puppies for these Barbie girls, they look like they're too small. Is that just me? I just think they look really a lot too small for the girls. Then we have here a hula hoop with the Barbie logo there, and a handle to have it in the hand. The handle is okay, but I don't know why they put the logo there. I actually rather just have the loop like it is without that, but that's the new thing. Then these hand weights, if I can get them out. So there is two of each size of hand weight. I like that, and they have each their own colors and the Barbie logo. That's fine here. I like that. Then we have the water bottle. That is more like a big soda pop. It's really big for her, but it's very nice, and I like that it doesn't have that peg out. I hate that system that Barbie likes to use with the pegs to click in things. I really don't like that. But I like the color of this one. And again, if you have a label sticker or something and maybe paint the lid, then this could actually look really decent. Then there is this piece of paper. If I even can get it out. That's really good stuck in there. I'm not sure if this is a piece that is supposed to be counted as a detail for this doll. It should look a little like a protein bar, I think, but it's just a piece of cardstock with a print on. I don't know what to use this for. I think that is that I could have done without this one for this whole set here. But the price I gave here in Denmark, I think, was really good for the doll itself and all these extra things that I can use for Lori. So that is pretty good. But I'm looking forward to try out making some new clothing for this girl. I really love her hair color. It's like 2 or 3 tones of orange, orangey red. So I just wanted to show you this little doll with all the things that comes with her. A very neat doll. So I didn't see this before, but this doll actually has a scratch here in her leg. So just watch really good at the doll before you buy it. Sadly, I would not be able to see it as it was packed like this. So I had no chance to see that it had this scratch here in the leg. But it is still a lot better than this one. So I'm happy for this one. I think that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a like if you did. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye!